Okay, let's go. Let's go for it. Ah, look at it. Look at it. Even with it's going down already, but it's looking volatile. It's looking volatile. Maybe we'll place a buy limit for this one. Maybe we'll place a buy limit and see whether. Let's place a buy limit and go down and see. And if it doesn't, within a few minutes, we'll change it back to outright buy. What do you think about that? I think we should do that. Okay, let's work with it, right? Let's work with it. Let's do a buy limit, okay? We'll do a buy limit. We'll reduce the price. Let's see. Let's go. It's going down. Let's go back into it. Let's go back. Maybe we should pick it while it's gone back up again. It's gone back up again. What was it that it went to the last time? I can't even remember. I saw it. Let's just go to let me go back in there and then check. No, let's go back in there. Let's just check the charts and see if we come to this level. Let me increase the level. Let's see if will it go down. I doubt if it would. 1310. Okay, let's do something with 1310. Let's see what will happen with 1310. Okay, and then we come back up here, 1310, and then we'll put $20 here. All right, and let's see what we get. Cut, and then let's get back to it's even going up, so there's really no need. It's going up. We got 52 cents. But would it go down? Will it go down, or is it already set to go up at this point? If it's set to go up, I think we should just buy outright. This is looking like it's going up. Oh, see. It went down. It went down. Let's go back. I said it might likely go down. Oh, it actually went down. Look at it. Did it go down? It actually went down. It went down. Oh, let's go. Let's go with it. It went down and it went back up. Wow. Wow. What's going on here? What's going on here? Can you see what's happening here? Look at it. It's just like very epileptic. Very epileptic. Wow. I think I'm just going to set a sell limit. I don't even know. This thing is looking so precarious. It's looking precarious. Let's go for it. Let's just try. Oh, we're currently in the queue, obviously. What do you expect? We're currently in the queue. Would it go there? Let's check. We're currently in the queue. Is it going to go down? Oh, we bought it. Oh, we actually bought it. Look at it. We bought it. We bought it. Can you just imagine that? It was bought. Oh, my God. Okay, let's go set our sell limit. It's like it's just jumping up and down. Okay, so it's time to set our sell limit. The other time it went to, I don't know, what did it go to? I can't even remember. I think it went to 134. Let's put one. Okay, let's check. Oh, now it's going down. But the other time, I think it went to, let's see, it went the highest. It went to 135. Let's go. Let's use that. Let's use 135. 135, and then put up the whole. Yeah, this is just 1%. I don't want this. I want it higher than this. 136. What about 136? Okay, not bad. Let's go and put this back at 136, and then we'll set our sell limit. Okay, let's go with that. Good. So we're currently in the queue. Okay, let's wait for it. So AI is in the queue. We spent how much did we spend on it? Let's check it out. We spent how much? How much did we spend? Let me see. I think we spent, let's go in there and check. We spent 19.99, practically 20 cents, $20. Okay. That's how much we spent on it. Okay. Let's go back and see what we can get with the rest. So we had AI, and then we also had, what was the other one? I think the other one was SNS. So AI has executed, as you can see. AI has done us well. So let's go into the trade history and go check what happened to AI. So AI, how much did we buy it? Let's go check. We bought 19.99, practically $20. So, and let's go see how much did we make. Let's go see what happened. We made 41 cents. Can you see that? That's not bad. That's 2%, 2.1% or 2.2%. Yeah, I think it's either 2.1%. Anyways, we made 2%. 2%, 2.1%, 2.05, one of the above. But it was 2% plus, right? You can see, and that's really a good one for AI. Claps for good, for the good AI. That's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence coin. I mean, all these interesting coins. I love the name. It's interesting. It's interesting. It is. All right, all right, all right. So good. Let's see. I mean, let's go see what's going on in AI's life. AI, at this point, it went up a couple of hours ago. Now it's going down. That's trading for you. It goes up, and then at a point, it comes down. Down, down, down. That's how it happens. And then it will now switch after a while. So AI has executed. SNS has executed. So the part I love to do is shipping out the profit. So let's go do that. But just in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, could you just please go click on subscribe and tell me in the comments that you have subscribed. All right, do that right now for me. I'm waiting. Thank you so much. All right, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate you. Thank you. So let's go ship out the profit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's click on assets and then we click on transfer. I love to ship out the profit. It's actually my best thing that I love to do. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to switch that. So that's we'll put on the max, and then I'll ship out that $1 something something. Okay, let's get it out of the way. All right, I love that. I love that. Okay,